Ek dink ons het dieselfde waardes en kultuur as Groot FM. Ons is in besigheid van gesondheid en ons het produkte wat gesondheid bevorder en dit is hoekom ons deel van die borskap is.
Having a teammate with you is super great, especially if it's someone you know can pace with you well. And it's always in your best interest to be together, pace well, just to give the other person a little bit of draft, a little bit of respite, just to get a little bit of kickback in their legs. And then just rotating like that the entire time, your pace is so much higher and you can really drive it all the way to the finish.